What's up, everybody? I just got this lunchbox in, super compact. Best thing about it is it comes with its own fork and spoon for you. Bunch of compartments on here, so you got two of these smaller ones here. Hard to do with one hand, but as you can see there, pretty simple. And a bigger one. I'm gonna have these linked right here. They're pretty cheap and really nice from what I can tell so far. Can't wait to start using it. But you can fit a lot of stuff in there for something only that big, and it's nice and sectioned off so your yogurt ain't mixing with your meat you got on the bottom, etc. Anyways, really cheap. Go grab them in the shop, linked right here.